Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is All Things Livy. Today we are elated. Today morning has more than shook. Think shook is an understatement for what happened. If you all know, today is my birthday. I was born on the 24th of September, so many years ago. So today is my birthday and I'm so excited to be here with you while I record this on my birthday. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is All Things Livy, where we discuss beauty, we discuss a bit of travel and all things, entertainment. So today I am more than excited to let you know that we have some new additions onto our set. Guys, this is more than excitement. This is more than excitement. So we'll start with the microphone. No more suffering with sound. No more bad sound in this house. No more bad sound on this channel. This is our microphone, so we're going to even use it ASAP. We're not wasting time. That is why I unboxed it first. So yeah, let's start with this. Should I? Yo, this is exciting. This is exciting. Guys, we officially have sound. We officially have sound. Who knew? Who knew that our channel would grow this fast? We need to contain this excitement. So today I finally got a few additions onto my set. As our channel grows, it has been my goal. If you remember my first video, the very first video I made, I remember discussing that in future we'll get better sound, better lighting, and things have been happening for me. Sincerely, for me, this is amazing. This is a journey that I don't take for granted. And I don't take for granted that you guys are subscribing to my channel. For me, it's amazing. Right now, we're at 110, and I don't take that for granted. Like, who knew? A humble girl from Uganda to be having 110 people following me. Like, who am I? What am I offering that is different? For me, that's a huge thing, and I am so humbled by the few that have already subscribed to my channel. So anyways, our ring light is here. So we have one that we're using already, but then we also have a new addition. It is 10. It's a ring light of 10 inches and it's 26 centimeters, I think. Is that diameter? Is that someone help me by what that means? But anyways, we don't care. The most important thing is we got this. Ooh, so this is how it looks like. It has different points on how you can adjust the lighting. So those are there, as you can see. So this is a ring light. Ooh, I hope I don't break it before. So it has two of these. I don't know how to use them yet, but I know they're adjustable. I learned this today. I've had a ring light for a while and I didn't know these were adjustable, so I learned this today. You can adjust them by pulling this out. One side always pulls out. We have this. It's for the stand. We'll add this onto the stand. We also have this. It's also added onto the stand. And then we have this, to which this enters, and then you put it onto this, and then you have your ring light setup. So those are the few adjustments that came with our ring lights. We'll set them up soon, and as we continue with the channel, guys, the quality is going to be amazing. See, birthday bliss, guys. Aye, this is good. Ring light. So we have that, and then we also have this. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, the remote shutter. This can be it's for both iOS and Android. What it basically does, instead of me standing up to go press the switch on my phone to start shooting, or to press the switch on my phone to stop it or take a picture, we'll be using this. This does it all from the comfort of my seat. I'll be seated here and all that will be happening. So imagine how my my channel is going to be, guys. I am living my best life. Like why not? So yeah, so this is how it looks like. So we have the box. It comes with the instructions. They're in Chinese. Yeah, we also have the English side, the specification, model shutter, how it operates, how to use it for communication. So basically it's Bluetooth, battery life. So you have to insert a battery. Let's get into those details. So this is how it looks like. I hope you see that. That's how it looks like. So where you see the camera is where I will be pressing. Of course, you connect once you have switched it on using this switch on the side. It does that. It starts to flicker. It has like a light that keeps flickering. So once it does that, you know it's on and it's looking for a phone or the Bluetooth you want to connect it to. So once it's meaning you have to switch on your phone too. You have to switch on the Bluetooth on your phone. So once you're switched on the Bluetooth on your phone, it will connect, like they will both connect, and then you'll be able to use it. So once it has connected, of course, if I want to take a picture, I'll just press. If I don't want to, I'll do the same. And if I want to start shooting, basically I'll be using it to shoot. Let me see what it says. The first step is pairing. Second step is you open the application and then you start shooting. So I can use it to take pictures, I can use it to take videos, I can use it at a distance of 10 meters, and basically it's Bluetooth. So those are the instructions written here. So this is the slot for the battery. Let's see, it already came in with a battery. So this battery, they're saying the battery takes approximately the battery life is approximately 6 months, and working in 20 times a day. If it doesn't exceed 20 times a day, I don't know what that means. Does it mean if it is? I would have loved if I had maybe the time lag it takes, but they're saying as long as it doesn't exceed 20 times a day. I mean, I think maybe pressing it more than, if you don't exceed pressing it more than 20 times a day, maybe that is what it means. The battery life will survive for 6 months. So that is that. This is like goals for me. This is goals. No more suffering. You don't know how much I've been suffering. I sit here and then a jump comes, switch on. I'll start shooting, then come back again to stop shooting. All the editing, it has been a hassle, but it's going to be simplified. It's going to be simplified. So that is it. Oh, I forgot to switch it off. Let's get it off before we waste the battery. Okay, it's off. Then finally we have this. Yo, yes, my God, this is what they call a good stand. Jay, this is legit, people. This is legit. Look at the screws. Look at those screws. It is quite heavy. Usually, if something that is made out of metal is heavy, it's a sign. I believe it's a sign of quality. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. But this feels good. So this is going to be our stand. We'll use it for the camera. I'm believing God for a camera. Pray for me, guys. Pray for me to get an actual camera. We're still using our phone, but hopefully we'll be able to get a camera. So once we have a camera, we can use this for a ring light. We can use it for the camera. We can use it for so many things. So I am humbled. No words. No words. Who knew on my birthday I would be living my best life? Who knew on my birthday I would be getting such things? Please, people, don't forget to wish me a happy birthday in the comment section. Take a minute and wish your girl a happy birthday. It's important for me. And in the same breath, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribing means a lot to me. My channel grows the more you subscribe to it. If you don't subscribe, I don't grow, and I'll not be able to bring more surprises to you. So this was one of those things I would say for my 100 subscribers. Thank you. And because of what you've done, because you've subscribed to my channel, I've been able to get to this point where I'm able to buy all this equipment. So for me, it is amazing and I don't take it for granted. I appreciate you, and I'm hoping and praying for more subscribers, guys. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Hit that like button. Why not? Smash it, break it, whatever. Why not? So all in all, thank you for passing by. Have a blessed day. Ciao.